welcome back to my channel. This is Didsbury Art Studio and I'm Sally. And in today's video, what I want to do is I've got a t-shirt from Primark, which I bought extra large, and I want to try out doing the miniature arrow smocking on it just to see kind of how it will go and what the scale's like, how much it decreases. So shall we get into it? So this is the t-shirt that I have, and dusty pink. The miniature arrow smocking is we're going to need to put the grid out on the back of the fabric, and then we're going to draw out the design. So I haven't decided yet whereabouts the design is going to go. I think I might try in the middle, a panel, and then just see how it decreases. But one or two of you have asked me how it would affect clothing if you were making clothing and things. So I just thought I would have a go at seeing what happens on a bought t-shirt. So I'm just gonna take the tags and label off, and then we're going to turn this around. I'm going to put this inside. Next, I am going to do my 1/2 inch grid, and I've left an inch here from the neckline down. I've also left an inch here from the seam of the sleeve and an inch from the seam of the sleeve here. Marked off every 1/2 inch, and I've also done that down here. I'm going to do the same. So I've drawn on the design for the miniature 1/2 inch arrow smocking. Looks like this. And now I'm going to start sewing. currently this is where we're up to. I can see that obviously it's pulled in from the bottom of the t-shirt and shrunk up here, which I did anticipate. However, this bit here, I wish that I'd have left a little bit more fabric left without smocking, so maybe started lower down. So I've got 2 more rows left to do, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, we're on the last one here. What you doing, Lola? Oh, what's the matter? There we go. Finished. It's always exciting when you finish. So I will put it on a mannequin after, well actually I've got to get rid of these blue lines, but I'll show you what it looks like in a sec. Hey you, what's happening? What's happening, Lola? Where are you going? Oh, coming for a little stroke? Or a tickle? No? Oh, she's not liking that. Okay, so that is it finished, and now I'm going to put it on the mannequin to see how it's been distorted, because I can already see that it's definitely pulled in too much here in front of the sleeves, but we'll see how it looks. So obviously it's pulled down the front here and to the sides. I actually don't mind this bit being pulled up at the front to make it longer at the back with that kind of draped effect there. This, however, you'd have to leave a larger gap and at the sides here, but the pattern looks fab. So what I'm going to do now is just try it on. Okay, so here we are. You can see what's happened, shrunk, reduced in size, but look at that pattern, that's so cute, and I love the way this is going on. However, I can see that obviously it's going to be difficult to leave these sleeves like that because it looks a little bit obviously distorted. So the other one is maybe doing something like that. Like that's better. So there we go. If these were like, you know, maybe I could do something like that, have it like that. That bit draping, as I said, I don't mind. So there, yep, there you have it. I'll do some more of these and practice putting them into different spots. So I hope you enjoyed this video today. And if you liked it, do give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And thank you for everybody that follows me already. Thank you for watching today if you're somebody new, and I'll see you in the next video every Monday and Thursday. Bye.